achieve beautiful, healthy looking skin? I've been thinking about this a lot lately, and what are the tips and the tricks that I can teach you to achieve beautiful, healthy skin? I feel like this is kind of a catch-22 type of a question because it's not just one thing. And why do I say that? Yes, we're GLOWBIOTIcs. We run a skincare company. Skincare is vital to healthy, beautiful looking skin. But that's not it. That's not the only thing. If you only did skincare, you still may not have healthy, beautiful skin. Why do I say that? It's because everything is interconnected. And I talked about this just a little bit ago in a video where we talked about tips on achieving healthy, beautiful skin. But it really stems internally. It stems from your gut. It stems from what your diet is. It stems from how much water you're drinking. All of these factors really determine your skin's health. So if you're not getting the results that you're looking for, you probably need to go internal. You need to get your gut healthy. What does that mean? Sometimes it's change the diet. It's not necessarily just the, okay, I'm gonna go get probiotics and I'm gonna take a probiotic. Sometimes it's not that. When you have an inflamed gut, you have to change your diet. You have to reduce the inflammatory triggers that are causing your gut to be inflamed. What can those be? Alcohol, sugar, sometimes tomatoes. I mean, tomatoes make me have acid reflux. There's a whole gamut of things, processed foods, that can cause your gut to be unhealthy. Maybe you have to go into a gastrologist and get yourself checked out because sometimes you don't even know what's going on, right? So, but with this idea of skin health, beautiful, healthy looking skin, sometimes it's not just about your skincare. A lot of times it's about what you're doing as a whole, as the whole gamut. How are you doing stress levels? How is your mental health? If you're stressed out, if you're unhappy, if you're depressed, guess what? You're going to be able to tell those things in your skin. So look at it from the whole, from the picture of, okay, how's my overall health? Because once you start to fix the overall health, you'll fix your skin health. How do I know these things? My name is Jessica, CEO with GLOWBIOTIcs, the #1 probiotic medical grade skincare in the market. And we help good bacteria work for you to bring you healthy, beautiful looking skin. Have a great day. Bye.